Hey guys, you're welcome to Digitalium. I've had lots of requests from many of my subscribers, many of my followers on Facebook, subscribers on YouTube, followers on Instagram, and so on and so on and so forth. They've been asking me to help them out with creating a Facebook ads account, because most accounts, we notice that most accounts don't have settings on the tabs here. When you get to your Meta Business Suite, you're supposed to have settings here, but it's actually ended at all tools. So I'm going to be taking you through step by step on how to create an ads account with you not having settings as one of the options on your Meta Business Suite. Okay, quickly, let's dive in. The first thing I'm going to do is just go straight into all tools. Normally I'm supposed to access settings, but since I don't have settings on this account, I'll go straight down to all tools. So I'll click on all tools. When I click on all tools, I'll go straight down to my ads manager. I'll go straight to ads manager. So I click on ads manager. Ads manager is going to pop up. It's going to be as if I actually want to create ads, but I don't want to create ads. I want to create an ads account. Note, I tell people you try as much as possible to differentiate your personal life from your business life. The reason why it's necessary you have to create an ads account is because you need to have an ads account to run ads on your Facebook. You need to have an ads account. Having an ads account, okay, let me explain this in a bit. You having a Facebook page, it's like opening up a business. You get an office for your business. After getting an office for your business, now remember you need to get a bank account for the office. True or false? Good. So you already have a Facebook page. Your Facebook page is your business. Your business is your office where you're going to be running your day-to-day business activities. Now you need to set up a bank account where money can be paid in, where money can be taken from as well to run the business. So that is why it's very important you create an ads account. And note, the moment you create a Facebook account, Facebook automatically gives you an ad account. But I don't advise people to use that ads account, because most times when you go against their privacy policy, they block the account permanently, and you might not be fortunate enough to get the account again. Even if you have 1 million naira, it's gone. So it's very important you create an ads account for yourself. Now if you look at this is an ads account that was actually given to this account by Facebook, because this account is on Facebook. So Facebook automatically gives you an ads account. It is not advisable to use this, so take good note of that. All right, let's go dive in further. So I'm going to come down to this part, these three hamburgers here. I have all tools. I'll click on all tools. It opens up automatically. I see my business settings. So I'm going to click on business settings. It's going to bring me up to this page. So it's going to say create account. So I'm going to click on create account. I'm going to give this business a name. The account name I'm actually using is Fabric Village. I think I'm correct. Yeah. So I love a situation whereby I have to use the same name. Good. Business email. Let me quickly get that. All right. So I'm going to click on next. Oh, sorry. I didn't finish it up. I'm sorry for that. Yeah. So I'm going to click on next. Click on next, then wait for it to load up. So while that is trying to do, which has actually loaded, I would advise you, please follow step by step this video to create an ads account for your business. It is very, very important. It's not something you have to neglect. So it brings me back to this page. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll go back to all tools again. I'll click on all tools. Remember, you have to access ads manager again. I'll click on ads manager. I wait for it to load up. You know, our internet can be a little bit slow at times, especially during rainy seasons like this. So I'll go straight down to business settings again. Remember, I'll click on business settings. I wait for it to load. Then it's going to bring me in here. It's going to bring me in here. Let's wait for it to load. So while it's trying to load, I just need you to access the ads account. This is ad account. So I'm going to click on this ad account. Click on ads account. You're going to see Fabric Village doesn't have any ads account yet. Manage your ads account. All the Meta ads accounts you have added to Business Manager will be listed here. So I'm going to click on add. Now you have 3 different options. Add an ad account. Your business will control all billings and whatever. Request an access to ads account and create a new ads account. So what I want to do is I want to create a new ads account. Please, if you have not followed my page, I need you to please do that for me now. Follow my Facebook page. Alright, I'm going to click on create ads account. Now I'll scroll down a bit. Please, if you've not followed me on Facebook, I need you to follow me on Facebook. And if you've not subscribed to my channel on YouTube, please, I need you to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thank you very much. So I'm going to give this ads account a name. I'm going to give it Fabric Village. Good. I'll make sure I'm presently in Nigeria, so I'll make sure my time zone is GMT Africa, Lagos. Alright, I'm presently in Africa and I'm in Lagos, so I have to change my currency to Nigeria. Nigeria. I'll have to search for Nigeria. That's Nigeria NGN. So that means when I want to make payment to Facebook, my currency will be in what? Naira. So I'm going to click on next. It says who will this ads account be used for? This ads account will be used for what? Is it my business? Is it another business account? It's going to be for my business. So I'm going to check this, and I'm going to click on create. I'll click on create, then I'll wait for it to load up. So I have this page. It says add people and set permissions. It is very important that as an admin to this page, you give yourself full permission, full control of the page. Alright, so I'm going to click on this Fabric Village. I'll check all that, make sure they are checked. So I'm giving Fabric Village full control, full access to this ads account. So I'm going to click on assign. It says add payment info. I'm not going to do that now. I need to watch. I will have another video that I actually explained how you can make payment on Facebook. Note, Facebook has 3 methods of payment. Number 1 is called the prepaid. Number 2 is called the postpaid. Number 3 is called the ads credit. In that video, you're going to see how I actually break them down one after the other. See you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.